Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we shall quickly recall few very important points related to circles, and also we'll solve few numericals based on the basic points on circle. Okay, so this video will be useful for TET exams mainly, and also for HSTR, GPSTR exams basics. And before moving to the video, if you are new to my channel, kindly do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can watch all the videos which we upload here, which will be useful for your upcoming TET and also for GPSTR, HSTR exams, mainly of math and science concepts I take up here. And also comment in the comment section whether you would like to have the numericals from physics for HSTR exams, and also if you would like to have numericals both in Kannada and in English to be explained, you have to comment in the comment section, then we'll understand that and we can take up in the both languages. Okay, and the notes will be available in Telegram group. Let us learn Telegram group. Kindly you can join the group and you will, if you text there, and I'll send the notes of this videos. Okay, and moving to the concept now, you all are aware of these basic points related to circle about radius, diameter, chord, secant and tangent, right? And the formula which is relating radius and diameter, that is r is equal to diameter by 2. These basic points you are aware. So I'm moving forward to the next concept. And about these basic points about parts of a circle also, just to recall, radius, sector, this is how sector is represented, segment, major segment, minor segment, and this portion where the major part is covered is called major segment. If this is smaller comparatively, minor segment. Arc, tangent is a line which passes through any one point on the circumference of the circle. Chord is the line which joins any 2 points on the circumference of the circle, and this is the circumference. The formula to calculate circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, right? Okay, next this is the diameter. So all these basics you are aware of. So let us check out with this circles here. There are 3 circles given. Let us take this circle 1, 2 and 3, and the centers are A, B, C respectively, and there is a line PQ which passes through 2 points M and N of the circle B, and also this touches at point O of the third circle with center C. So related to the first circle, if you take, this line has no connection. The PQ line is a non-intersecting line for this first circle of center A or with center A, right? That's what is non-intersecting line. Next is secant. So here the line PQ is passing through any 2 points on the circumference of the circle 2 with center B. Hence PQ is acting as a secant for the second circle. Third case, the same line PQ is acting as a tangent for the circle C because it is passing through any 1 point on the circumference of the circle. Okay, so these 3 points, just remember it, they can give any circle and ask you to identify. It is a basic level questions in TET exams. Let us recall the tangent theorem related to circle now. So you can observe in this circle with center O, the tangent line is yx, and it is at the point P, it is contacting the circle point P. So this is the contacting point, and you draw a radius to this point of contact, and that is perpendicular to the tangent drawn. Okay, so this is perpendicular. Hence, if they ask you to calculate the distance between this point O and here any other point Q, you can use Pythagoras theorem using this perpendicular theorem, or these two sides are given, means radius length if it is given and this length is given, you can find out. Okay, so these kind of application questions will be asked. So how many tangents can be drawn to a circle? You can draw infinite tangent to a circle. If you consider this point, through this one tangent like this straight, and if you consider this point here through this one line, and here, anywhere, you can take how many ever points you want on the circle also you can take. So infinite tangents can be drawn to a circle. So the first theorem you can take up, you can remember, the tangent at any point of the circle of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Okay, so this is the first theorem. So if it is in case of GPSTR theorem, they may ask you to prove and all, but most probably they won't ask to prove. If it is of TET, just to remember these points which will be useful for application level questions. That's it. Moving to the next theorem related to circles. Here you can observe in this circle there are two tangents drawn from the point P. One, imagine this is extending actually. Okay, so this is also extending. So this PQ and PR are the two tangents drawn to a same circle, and this length PQ and PR will be the same. Okay, this is the second theorem. Tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are the same. The lengths will be same. So remember this point, the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Moving to the next point, consider two concentric circles. Okay, circle C1 has center O, C2 also has same center O. So these two circles are called as concentric circles, and the chord drawn to the larger circle, that is C1 circle, which touches the smaller circle, bisect the chord equally. It means, you see, AB is the chord for the first circle C1, larger circle, and which touches the smaller circle at one point and which bisects the line. AP will be equal to PB. So, okay, so these also application level questions will be asked, and if you draw a radius from the center of the circle to this tangent, it is perpendicular, that we already saw. Moving to the next one, if you draw two tangents at the end points of the diameter on the circle. So AB is the diameter for the circle with center O, and you draw two tangents which is touching the end points. PQ and RS are the two different tangents, and they are parallel. Let us now check out with few questions or fill in the blanks type. A tangent to a circle intersect it in dash points. So in how many points a tangent intersect in a circle? Only through one point. So our answer is 1. Okay. Next, a line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called as secant, right? Next, a circle can have dash parallel tangents at the most. They can have only 2 parallel tangents. Any side you can take. These two sides or the other two sides, any sides, 2 parallel tangents. Let us check out with few numericals now. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm. So a circle of radius 5 cm. You can just draw an imaginary circle, and a tangent PQ at a point P of the circle meets a line through the center O at a point Q. Okay, so this tangent PQ meets the center O, hence forming the line OQ, and OQ is given as 12 cm. And we need to find the length of PQ. Okay, so this tangent is extended this side, and the radius is OP, and the value is given as 5 cm, and both are given in centimeters, so no problem. And even the answer is also given in centimeter, then there is no conversion, you can directly substitute. And you know that the line drawn or the radius which meets the point of tangent is always perpendicular, and hence this is 90 degree, and using Pythagoras theorem you can easily apply the formula and you can calculate OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square, and hence substitute the values and squaring and finding the answer as D, option number D, square root of 119 centimeter is the right answer. Okay, so you can get the answers like this in an easy way. Next, from a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter, and the distance Q from the center is 25 centimeter. The radius of the circle is dash. We have to calculate the radius of the circle and draw an imaginary circle. You can take center as O, and they have given from a point Q the length of the tangent to the circle. So from this point Q, the length of the tangent, if you take as PQ is the tangent, and that length is 24 centimeter, and the distance of Q from the center, this point from the center is 25 centimeter. You have to take little bit of time and draw the rough circle, okay, rough diagram. Hence it will be easy for calculation. Once you come to know this, and then it will be easy, you can just do this. And you know OP is the radius, and this forms 90 degree. Again use Pythagoras theorem. OQ square is equal to QP square plus PO square, and substitute for the values, and you will get the answer as OP. OP is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, don't forget to take the square root of this value. OP square is equal to 49. Hence OP is equal to square root of 49. After substituting, I am going a little fast because you know the basic calculations and substitutions. Hence, in order to cover up little more sums, I am moving fast. Okay, so option number A, 7 centimeter is the right answer. Next question. In figure, there is a figure given. If TP and TQ are two tangents to the circle with center O, so that POQ makes 110 degree, then PTQ is equal to. Okay, so we need to find the angle PTQ. The diagram is already given. Then we know that TP and TQ are the two tangents drawn from the circle, hence they are equal. And also if you draw radius to join this point of tangent, and hence this is perpendicular, and these two lines will be perpendicular points here. Okay, these 2 points we have to remember. And you know this perpendicular lines, this two will be 90 90. Perpendicular means 90 90. So what is the total? 180 already we got. Okay, you no need to calculate right and substitute like this and all. Okay, we need to find quick answer. This is now 180 plus 110. How much it is? 092. 290 we got, and hence this is a quadrilateral. What is the sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is 360. So 360 minus 290 is 70 degree. Okay, so option number B here is given is 70 is the right answer. Next, a similar type of sum, partially similar. If tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at angle of 80 degree, then POA is equal to. So two tangents are drawn to the circle with center O. So tangents are PB and PA, and they are inclined at an angle is 80 degree. We have to find out POA. This angle we need to find out now. Okay, so as usual, you know, this is a quadrilateral. You can use the formula. Sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degree, and hence here 90 90 plus 80, this gives us 260. So subtracting this, you get 100 degree. Hence this angle will be 100 degree. The entire angle BOA will be 100 degree, and this you can observe here. OP is a common line for this both the triangles OBP and OAP. They form two triangles, and here first these lines are equal. Both the sides for both the triangles. OP is a common line, and BP will be equal to AP because tangents drawn from the same point to the circle, and OB and OA are radius of the same circle. Hence these two triangles are congruent triangle. Hence the line here you can observe POB is equal to POA. Angle also you can take as equal, and hence this middle angle will be of twice of POA, and hence partial 100 divided by 2 gives us 50 degree. That's it. So 50 is the right answer. Option number 1, 50 is the right answer. Moving to the next question. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. Concentric circle means circle with same center, two circles. So one is 3 cm and other one is 5 cm. Hence you can just draw the rough diagram. So this will be 3 cm and the long length OA, if you take that, will be 5 cm. Okay. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So if you draw a chord for the larger circle, that must touch the smaller circle. Hence you get the tangent at the point P. Okay. So you have to draw the rough diagram, and hence we know that point when a chord, we have already learned this in the theorem. When a line of chord touches the smallest circle, in case of concentric circle, and it bisects the chord into two equal halves, hence AP will be equal to PB, this side. So you can find any one side and it will be easy for us to find the other side. If you know this AP value, you can find easily other one. And they have given here this radius OP is nothing but O to this point. Hence this radius is given as 3 cm and the longer length is given as 5 cm. We know the two sides using Pythagoras theorem. Here it is 90 degree. You can find the other side AP and hence twice of that. Okay, if you multiply by 2, so you can use the Pythagoras theorem and you can work out here and you can check out for the answer. Okay, so here since you are preparing for TET exams now, there is no writing part will be required. You can just do fast the calculations. Next question. The length of the tangent from a point A at a distance 5 cm from the center of the circle is 4 cm. Okay, read the question properly. Try to draw the rough diagram. Hence you draw the rough diagram and try to get the point and easy for the calculation. The length of the tangent from a point A, so circle with center O you can assume, and from this point A at a distance of 5 cm from the center of the circle. From center it is 5 cm, which is 4 cm. So this point at the tangent point is 4 cm. Find the radius of the circle. We need to find the radius. And again we are using Pythagoras theorem here. Two sides are known. The third side you can find out using Pythagoras theorem. Answer you get as 3 cm. Both the lengths are given as 3 in centimeter only. No need for conversion. Okay. So with this very basic numerical we have checked out related to circles. In the following next videos we will go for areas related to circle. Here there are chances of asking questions from circles and areas related to circle. Very important questions. You can just recall for the exams. Okay. So in the following classes we will try to complete few more chapters for TET exams and then I will carry out with the HSTR syllabus. I am thinking to take up physics numericals first. Okay, there are a lot of numericals are asked in the HSTR exams. So after the TET exams we will continue with the HSTR classes, and also these classes will be useful for even TET and HSTR also. You can just have a glance of it, and also you can express in the comment. Okay, if you comment only I will come to know, and then there are no comments in the comment section and there is no reply from you, then I have to switch over to some other topics. Okay, because we'll come to know that which are the relevant topics you require for the exams. Okay, if you like this video, give a like. Okay, thank you for watching.